Do you want to grow your own natural superfood? Plant some chokeberries. Chokeberries are an easy-to-grow and a perfect addition to your backyard. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to grow chokeberries and the proper way to take care of them. So be sure you watch the video till the end. Let's start. What are chokeberries? If you don't know, chokeberries grow on a shrub called Aronia, which is native to North America. These small berries have a mouth-drying effect and leave a very unique flavor of tartness on your tongue. Types of chokeberries. Before you get to plant this shrub, you should know that there are 3 varieties of chokeberries that exist. Red chokeberry. Having bright red color, red chokeberries grow on large shrubs. Black chokeberry. Black chokeberries grow on small shrubs and are a purplish-black fruit. These are the most common variety. Purple chokeberries. Purple chokeberries are a natural hybrid of red and black chokeberries. Growing chokeberries. Growing chokeberries doesn't require much effort. It is a lovely plant to adorn your garden and not even that high maintenance. Choosing the right spot. If someone says that you need acres of yard to potentially grow chokeberries, that's a myth. Don't believe him. You can even grow this herb in a container. Pick up a sunny spot to plant your chokeberries. Or if you're planting in a pot, put it in the direct sun. Partially shady areas work too, but the yield is a bit low. Soil. You can use any soil to grow chokeberries. Yes, you heard it right. Any soil will work. This bush is durable in wet conditions and can penetrate dry and harsh environments. Ideally, soil having acidic pH works great for Aronia shrub. Buying a good quality shrub. Buy a good quality chokeberry shrub from a creditable nursery, preferably 2 years old. By the 3rd year, it will start giving you fruit. Tips. Plant only 1 shrub per container and make sure it has good drainage. Keep it in direct sun to yield less sour berries. This shrub is pest-free. However, to enhance quality, you can use a good quality fertilizer. Water frequently. Don't let it be too dry or too wet. For maintenance, prune out old and thick canes every 2 to 4 years. Spring is the peak time for production, so do some extra care in this season. Protect your plant with fencing or covers until well established. Thanks for watching. For more such content, stay tuned.